You will be surprised what you can find and buy from Aliexpress. For $20 you can get this gadget. And what is it? It's a car radio, 1DIN stereo MP3 player, audio, Bluetooth, FM receiver, dual USB support, aux USB TF card. For $22 you can get super cool looking car radio. I ordered it and I got it. No bubbles. Sorry. Ooh, what it says. Car MP3 player with USB SD port. 60 watts times 4. This is a push. Okay. Let's open it. Yes, you can choose two different remote controls when you buy this thing. Remote control. The cables for the car radio. Oh, here it is. Instruction manual. Come on, man. Whoa. You got these pieces, metal pieces. We're gonna figure out. Take a look how small it is, because there is no CD player inside the radio. It's small. Ooh. In description everything is described. How to connect with your car, connection highlight, multifunction knob on the right side of the radio. The features, it support aux, MP3 songs, support FM radio, what it says, material metal plus plastic, FM tuning range from 87 to 108 MHz, maximum power output 60 watts times 4, frequency response from 40 to 15 kHz, what is this, stereo separation 28 decibels, power supply DC 12 volts, alright, remote control battery, that I know. Okay. Now let me explain some stuff about this car radio. Besides you get infrared remote control, you got two connectors for connecting your radio with the car. Those connectors are plugged right here. This connector is for audio output amplifiers, 4-channel. You have 8 wires in colors, purple, gray, white and green, 4 channels. This go up and the middle goes at the bottom, and we have yellow, red, blue and black. What does it mean? The black is ground and the yellow and the orange need to be connected together so you can power up this gadget. Alright, the blue one is what it says right here. I can't see it very well. The blue is power the antenna. Okay, also you have behind the aux output and input connectors, and this thing is the antenna. Let's see the front. Just to remove the protector. Come on now. Oh. We have many buttons. From the left side we have power on and power off and volume mode of this knob, and on this thing you can choose and select the tracks, previous and next, play or pause. Also you can answer the calls if you connect your smartphone with the radio, because this thing have Bluetooth receiver. Here it is, the USB port for this is for charging the phones. You can see the logo, and from the right side you have USB port for playing music. Also the micro SD card you can plug in right here, and two circles, and these are the displays. Let's power up this thing. I dimmed the light in my studio so you can see better the LED effect on the car radio, and powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have a clock. When it's turned off, you can see the clock on the right display. Powering high. Ooh, beautiful. As I told you, on the left knob you can control the volume, and by pressing you can choose Bluetooth, you can choose aux or audio input, or tuner or FM receiver. Alright. Rock. Oh, you can also choose jazz, flat, classic, electronic, maybe pop. What is this? Equalizer off. Rock. Beautiful. Also here you can select. Oh, you can adjust the bass, the treble, the volume. Great. Front, back speakers. Loudness on, loudness off. Okay. Rock. Beautiful. It's working cool. Turning off when holding by. One more time the clock. Turning off, turning on. Oh, I love these round displays, left and right. It have the blue LEDs everywhere. I don't know, can I change that? If someone knows for what are these metal pieces, maybe for pulling out from the case in the car, I don't know, comment below. This is the connector for the amplifier for audio output, 4 channels. I'm gonna use the white, which is front left, the gray front right, also the green are rear left, and the violet are rear right. Only these 4, white and the gray, for left and right speaker. That will go right here in this connector. We are ready. Okay, I connect the left speaker and the right speaker, and now I'm gonna test the remote control. Power on, yes, high, and it's set on, it's set on FM receiver. You can increase and decrease the volume. There is no connected antenna because it can find copyrighted music and get strike on YouTube. So just I'm gonna show you that it's working fine. It's looking for channels, and that's great. Okay. Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth connected successful.
Good. Okay, now you're gonna hear it. There is no any kind of edit with fixing the audio. This is the pure output power of this cheap car MP3 Bluetooth player. And right now the volume is on 40, it goes to 63. Can you feel the bass? And I can see it on my power supply. It jumps the amperes to 2 amperes and more at 12 volts. Now I'm gonna cycle through the equalizer, rock, vocal, jazz, flat, classic, electronic, pop. I think the rock is the best. This is my cheap digital decibel meter, and you're gonna see how much decibels is giving this car MP3 player. Okay, now I'm gonna plug in my USB disc with very stupid songs, and that is because of the copyright strikes. And take a look, very fast start to play, and here it says USB. Oh no, I mess up rock. Okay, I'm gonna change the track. USB, very fast. Play, pause. Loudness on. Okay. Pause. Remove the stick. It goes on FM receiver. I'm gonna remove the MP3 card and let's put it right here. Is this way? Nope. Is this way? Come on. Yes. The micro SD card slot works too, and it's great. Pause. Turning off by turning on. Will it start? No, it didn't start from the beginning. It continued with the same song. Next thing to test is the charging for smartphone. In description it says it will charge with 500 milliamperes. That's the maximum. Yeah, and yes, charging. Great stuff. Alright, that USB port is working too. Play, volume up, working great. $22 US from Aliexpress, and the link will be in description below so you can check it. And it turned out that this car MP3 FM receiver, Bluetooth receiver player is awesome. For the money, of course, it's worth it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!